वो भी नहीं मालूम रहेगा। एक मिनट, चालू कर दो।
Good morning, parents, and good morning, students. Welcome you all. Hope you all are good and healthy at your home. Yes. So, parents are requested to off your video and off your microphone. Okay? आपको आपका वीडियो और माइक्रोफोन दोनों बंद रखना है. Okay? When teacher will ask you, at that time you have to on your video or microphone. Okay, parents? Thank you so much. So, I am going to ask you a question. Okay. Till now, which letter we have completed? Yes, Akshat? Akshat, unmute yourself better and tell me. Oh, yes. Till O we have completed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, okay. Now I will write some letters on whiteboard. Okay, you have to reply me. Which letters are that? And what are the sounds? Okay, students? You have to give me the reply. You have to unmute yourself and you have to say teacher ने कौन सा letter लिखे है और उसका sound क्या है. Okay? Now, wait a second. I will write. Okay? See. Which letter? Which letter? M. Yes. M. What is the sound? What is the sound? Yes. Yes. Very good. Now, teacher will write another letter. Okay? Great.
Next. Teacher.
Which letter?
O.
O. What is the sound of letter O?
O.
Two sounds. Yes, there are two sounds.
O.
A and O. Yes. Very, yes, yes. Now,
Which
now see here. Which letter? Which letter? I. Very good. And what is the sound of I? I and E. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Thank you for your response, parents and students. Thank you so much. Now you have to mute yourself. And okay. Very good. Clap for yourself, all of you. Very good, students. Now, today we are going to see two new letters. Okay? आज हम लोग two new letters देखने वाले हैं. Yes. So, first one is letter P and letter Q. Okay? But teacher यहाँ पर आपको ना सिर्फ P letter के कुछ objects show करेंगे. You have to recognize it. What are they and write in the chat box. Okay? Letter P से क्या आता है? टीचर सिर्फ वही दिखाएंगे. Letter Q का हम लोग pictures देखेंगे. Okay? Now see here. What is this? Yes, you have to write in the chat box. Ask the students. आपको आपके बच्चों को पूछना है कि टीचर क्या दिखा रहे हैं, उनका रिप्लाई आपको चैट बॉक्स में देना है. ओके पेरेंट्स? व्हाट इज दिस? पेंसिल. यस, वेरी गुड आशिनी. वेरी गुड निहाल. वेरी गुड एवरीवन. यस, थैंक यू सो मच. Now I will show the another thing. Okay. Now see here. What is this? Yes, what is this? Pen. Yes. So, very good. Thank you so much for your response. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Means you all know pen and pencil. Yes. But what is the letter? Yes. What is the letter of that things? You know that? Yes. P. So I will. Yes. Yes. Now you have to mute yourself. I will share my screen to you all. You have to see to it and we will learn. Okay, letter P and letter Q objects and how to write letter P and letter Q. Okay? Yes. Yeah. So today our subject is English. Okay? And topic P and Q. Now I have shown you, yes, some object like pen and pencil. In that way you can take the practice of your child by showing the object. The objects are available at home like pen. Yes, you can show them. Yes, mama cooks food in pan. Yes, तो उसका letter क्या है? What is the letter of pen? P. Yes, P. P for pen. We say P for pen. Okay, so what is the sound of P? We will say that. P and Q का sound क्या है? We will see to it. Okay, now the sound of P is P. P. Okay, क्या है P का sound? You have to repeat behind me. इसके बाद टीचर आप लोगों को questions पूछने वाले हैं. Okay, what is the sound of P? You have to repeat. P. P. Okay, P. P. Pineapple. So you have to repeat. Okay, P. P. Pineapple. P. P. Pineapple. Okay, P. P. Pineapple. P. P. Pan. P. P. Pan. P. Panda. P. Panda. Here what you can see? P. Parrot. P. Parrot. Yes. P. Penguin. P. Penguin. Yes. You like to eat pizza? आपको पिज्जा खाना पसंद है? Yes. तो उसका लेटर किससे आता है? उसका जो फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग लेटर है वो क्या है? देखो यहाँ पे प पिज्जा. Yes or no? P. Pizza. Yes. Now you have seen the object of pencil. Yes. So what is the starting letter? P. Pencil. P. Pencil. Yes. Now you have to repeat this sound behind me. Okay. You have to unmute yourself, everyone.
बोला
Yes. What you have to do? You have to unmute yourself and you have to reply me. I will circle the picture. Okay? I will circle the picture. You have to. Yes. Pineapple. Say. Pineapple. Yes. Now second picture. Pan. Pan. Yeah. Panda. Yes. Now parrot.
तू बोला
Parrot.
है ना
Okay, now we will see
सर्कल
next
कशाला
picture.
केलं पॅरेटला ना
Penguin.
पेंग्विन
Penguin. Yes, now we will see next. Pizza. Yes. Pencil. Yes, very good. Thank you for your response. Thank you, everyone. Now you have to mute yourself. Okay? Thank you very much. Now we will see how to write letter P. Yes, अभी हमें प का साउंड आ गया. We have learned the pictures. बहुत ज्यादा pictures है ना letter P के. Yes, we have learned that. We have learned the sound. Now we are going to see the letter P. How to write? Yes, you have the books. Yes, in that book you have to write this. Okay, the dotted lines are given. Yes. So what you have to do? You have to trace that line. Okay, students, by drawing standing line and half curve. Yes, standing line and half curve. Yes, standing line and curve. Standing line and curve. Yes or no? Which letter we have got here? Yes, letter P. Yes or no? Yes. And what is the sound of letter P?
P.
P. Here you can see pencil. Yes, see here. You write with the help of pencil in your books. Yes or no? आप पेंसिल से लिखते हो ना बुक में? Yes. तो उसका स्टार्टिंग लेटर क्या है? P. P. Yes, P for pencil. The sound is P. So in this way, you have to teach your child that how to pronounce the letter P. And what are the pictures related to letter P? What is the sound of letter P? Okay, parents. Now we will see the next. Here you can see, yes, the first, yes, the letter P and letter Q is given. In this way, you can take the practice of your child by giving any letter, but we are focusing on letter P. Write letter P in the circle or in the square on the star shape, yes, and write another letter in between and tell them to find the letter P and color the letter P. Okay, here you can see letter P. Ask them, this is letter P? Yes, this is letter P. No.
त्याच्यामध्ये
Then
हे
this is letter P. See, this is
पेंग्विन.
letter P.
Yes.
No. This is letter P. Yes. So in this way you can take practice of your child. Okay. Yes, yes. Now here you can see the pictures are given. Yes, the pictures are given.
टीचर काय दाखवते सर्कल कशाला केलंय बघ.
मम्मा ये पी है क्या?
नो.
Now here you can see the pictures. Yes, you can draw like that pictures related to letter P, or some are not related to letter P. You can draw like that and ask your child to find which pictures are related to letter P. Yes, you can see here. This is letter P related picture. Wait a second, I will zoom my screen. Yes. See what you can see here. Yes, टीचर ने सर्कल किए थे, वो क्या है? लेटर P से है? नो, तो वो क्या है? रोबोट है. तो रोबोट आता है P से, प रोबोट आता है? नो. So this is not related to letter P. Yes. Here you can see question mark. This is paper question mark. No. Then this is also not related to letter P. Here you can see penguin. Yes, you can see penguin. Yes. ये आता है प penguin. Yes. Here you can see piano. Yes. प piano. तो इस तरीके से आप कुछ इजी पिक्चर्स यहाँ पे पेन ड्रॉ कीजिए, पेंसिल ड्रॉ कीजिए, एंड some are related and some are not. You can draw any pictures and take extra practice of your child. Okay, now here, yes, in this way you can take the practice of matching. Draw the object of the picture of the letter. अब लेटर P है, yes, लेटर P का पेन ड्रॉ कीजिए, पेंसिल ड्रॉ कीजिए, पिकॉक है, पिकॉक भी इजी है, we can draw that and tell them to recognize that picture. What is that picture? Tell them to recognize it. Okay, what we have to do? We have to recognize it. Here you can see penguin. Yes, so you can draw your pencil and tell them which picture I have drawn here. They will say you. So what is the letter of that picture? P. Yes, so what you have to do? You have to match it. Okay, what we have to do? We have to match it. See here. Yes, purple penguin. Purple penguin. So in this way, the child will learn how to recognize the letter P from the hidden letters. अभी इसमें बहुत सारे लेटर्स है, आप उस तरीके से उनकी प्रैक्टिस ले सकते हो, तो बच्चों के माइंड में लेटर पी का कॉन्सेप्ट वेरी मच क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके पेरेंट्स, now we will see to the next slide. Yes, the another letter we have seen. Yes, we are seeing now another letter. So what is the sound of Q? You know that? You know? No. Then I will tell you what is the sound of letter Q. It's Qu. What we have to say? Repeat, huh? You have to repeat behind me. Qu. Qu. Okay. Qu. Qu. Quarter. Qu. Qu. Quarter. You can see here. Qu. Qu. Quarter. Qu. Qu. Queen. Qu. Qu. Queen. Yes. Qu. Qu. Quilt. Qu. Qu. Quilt. Qu. Qu. Quill. Qu. Qu. Quill. Qu. Qu. Question. Yes. टीचर इज आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस इन बिटवीन. यस, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्वेश्चन. तो उसका स्टार्टिंग लेटर क्या है? क्व. क्यू. यस, क्यू फॉर क्वेश्चन. क्व. द साउंड इज क्व. ओके. नाउ हियर द लास्ट वन इज क्वाइट. यस, कीप क्वाइट. हाउ टू सिट? सिट क्वाइटली. यस, तो उसका स्टार्टिंग लेटर क्या है? क्यू. क्व. द साउंड इज क्व. So in this way you can take the practice of letter Q and show them the pictures. Easy pictures you can show here like quilt. Yes, quilt means रजाई होती है. Yes, उसे हमें quilt बोलते हैं जो फ्लोर पे होता है. तो आप वो बताकर उन्हें बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ इसे quilt बोलते हैं. You can show quill. अभी feather होता है, birds के feather है. You can show them and tell them कि ये quill है, इसे हम quill बोलते हैं. Okay. Now queen. The students, the child will know queen किसको बोलते हैं? रानी को बोलते हैं. Yes, तो ये इजी पिक्चर्स है, आप इस तरीके से उन्हें बता सकते हो. क्वेश्चन मार्क है. यस, क्वेश्चन. मम्मा पापा आपसे क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. यस, तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? क्वेश्चन. तो उसका स्टार्टिंग लेटर क्या है? क्यू. यस, एंड साउंड इज क्व. नाउ इफ दे आर डूइंग मिस्चीफ, यस, अगर घर में मस्ती करते हैं तो यू हैव टू टेल देम सिट क्वाइटली. यस, यू हैव टू सिट क्वाइट. तो उसका स्टार्टिंग लेटर क्या हो गया? क्यू. तो इस तरीके से आप जब उन्हें इजी पिक्चर्स से टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस करवाओगे तो बच्चा इजीली ये सारी चीजें समझ पाएगा कि लेटर क्यू से क्या क्या चीजें आती है. ओके. नाउ यू हैव टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड गिव मी द रिप्लाई. ओके. Yes, you have to tell, you have to repeat behind me. Okay, the sound of letter Q. Yes, say the sound of letter Q is
Quarter.
Qu. Say Qu. Quarter. Yes, Qu. Quarter. Yes. Qu. Quilt.
नंतर
Quilt. Yes. Now we will see queen. Queen. Yes. Queen.
Question.
Very good. Yes. Very good, students. Very good. Yourself. Very good. Thank you for your response. Very good. Very good. Now we will see how to write letter Q. Yes. How to write? You have written letter O. Yes. You have written letter O. Yes or no? We have written letter O by drawing circle. Yes. So you have to draw circle. Yes. Letter O. Then you have to draw slanting line. Yes. You have to draw circle and draw slanting line. Yes or no? Which letter we have formed here? Letter Q. Yes, letter Q. What is the sound? Qu. आप जब इस तरीके से बच्चों को रिपीट करवाते रहोगे तो बच्चों का ये जो साउंड है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन है, उनका बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. क्योंकि कुछ बच्चों को है ना साउंड प्रोनाउंस करने नहीं आता है. यस, तो जब ये राइटिंग वे में आप उनका प्रैक्टिस लेते रहोगे, while writing tell them to repeat. what you are writing? Yes, Q letter. What is the sound? Qu. So कैसा है, बच्चों को यहाँ पे sound भी समझ में आएगा and how to write letter Q they will know. Okay parents, now we will see to the next slide. Yes, you can see here the picture is drawn in between. You can draw like that, the easy picture, and give the letters and tell them to match, find and match the correct letter with the picture. What they have to do? They have to find the letter Q and match to the picture. Okay, now here we will do something. This is letter Q. Yes? No. Yes. So this is letter Q. ये letter Q है? No. Then which letter? D. Dog आता है. Yes. तो ये letter Q नहीं है. This is letter Q. Yes. Ask them questions so that they will reply you and they will get their answer. उनको उनका ही आंसर समझ में आएगा कि हाँ ये लेटर है तो इसे यही लेटर बोला जाएगा. So in this way the child will learn to pronounce the letters and the sound of the letter. Okay. Now here you can see. Yes. Letters are given. You can write the letters in the bold and tell them to find and color the letter. In each letter you can do. See here you can see letter O, letter M. You can draw any letter and tell them to color, find and color that letter. Now we are seeing to Q. Yes. So we will see only the Q letter. Where is letter Q? This is letter Q. Yes. It look like letter Q. No? Why no? Ask them like that question. क्यों नहीं है वो? क्यों नहीं है वो? Yes, they will say because वो O है. O को and Q को यहाँ पे slanting line होती है. Yes, तो ये letter Q नहीं है, ये letter O है. So what we are going to color? Yes, letter Q. कैसा है फिर उनका जो letters पहले हो चुका है? Yes, the letters which they have completed, they will revise it again and again. The letters will be very much clear to them. रिवाइज करते रहेंगे तो क्या है, उनके लेटर्स उनके माइंड में एकदम से क्लियर हो जाएगा कि हाँ ये ऐसे ही होता है, इसको यही लेटर बोलते हैं. ओके. सो आप ये जो देख रहे हो तो इस तरीके से आप कोई भी लेटर्स की प्रैक्टिस बच्चों से करवा सकते हो. ओके. नाउ हियर हाउ टू राइट इन 4 लाइन. यस, हाउ टू राइट इन 4 लाइन्स, वी विल सी टू इट. ओके. नाउ see, first we will see the letter P. Okay, give them 3 dots. How many dots we have to give? 3 dots. Okay, red line to blue line. Okay parents, then tell them to draw standing line and curve. What they have to draw? Standing line and curve. So curve किधर निकालना है आपको? पूरा नीचे करना है? No. Then between में dot दिया है? Yes, you have to join that dot. तो कैसा लेटर पी उनको इजी हो जाएगा राइटिंग करने के लिए. एंड टेल देम विच लेटर यू हैव रिटन? लेटर पी. व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ लेटर पी? प. प. और पिक्चर्स क्या आता है? प प पेंसिल, प प पेंसिल, प प पेन. तो कैसा यहाँ पे बच्चों की राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी रेड एंड ब्लू लाइन में. दे विल नो द पिक्चर्स ऑल्सो एंड दे विल लर्न हाउ टू pronounce the sound. Okay. Now we will see the letter Q. How to write letter Q? Give them 2 dots. Yes. And tell them to draw circle like we have drawn O. Yes. And what we have to do? Complete हो गया? Letter Q ऐसे लिखते हैं? Ask them. They will say no. Then what we have to do? What is remaining over here? Slanting line. Yes. Where to give slanting line? Yes. So in this way they will learn how to write letter Q. And what is the sound of letter Q? Qu. Yes, what is the sound? Qu. Qu, qu, queen. Qu, qu, queen. तो कैसे बच्चे जब प्रोनाउंस करते रहेंगे राइटिंग के साथ साथ में तो उनको ये सारी चीजें क्लियर हो जाएगी उनके माइंड में. ओके. थैंक यू पेरेंट्स एंड थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर योर रेस्पॉन्स. यस, यू हैव गिवन मी रेस्पॉन्स टुडे. So you all are very good students. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you parents for your giving your time. If you have any queries, you can ask me by unmuting yourself. Okay.